I'm Gabby, and I'm going to talk to you about sea salt. So sea salt often comes in containers like this with a couple of different spouts. One is for pouring. You can see there's a bigger hole. Another is for sprinkling. There are a few little holes. And this is fine sea salt. Coarse ground sea salt comes in a little bit of a different container, and I'm going to show you what coarse ground sea salt looks like. So in this hand, I have some coarse ground sea salt. And this is great for any sort of dish where you want the flavor of salt to actually stand out. So it's wonderful for sprinkling on homemade French fries or roasted sweet potatoes. Sometimes if you really want the flavor of salt to stand out on an egg dish, it's a really good one to use. So that's coarse ground salt, coarse ground sea salt. And this is finer ground sea salt. That's what this is. And you can see it's much finer. So you want to use this in any way you might use table salt. So you can put it in a little dish and put it on your kitchen table, or even put it in a salt shaker and people can add it to their food. It's also good to use for baking because it dissolves much faster than the bigger, coarser salt. So sea salt is a good choice when you want food that tastes a little bit more refined than traditional salt. It has a little bit of more depth of flavor, and it's a great product to have around.